Hello all. Myself Pritham Adi, Assistant Professor at Department of Statistics, Yashwantrao Chavan Institute of Science, Satara. Today we are going to discuss how to install integrated development environment like Turbo C++ and code blocks. Both these environments are used for C programming as well as C++ programming. But we are going to use both these environments for C programming. First of all, we see how to install Turbo C++. So open a browser in your laptop or system, then search for Turbo C++ download for Windows. Then visit the first web page that you have seen on your browser. Then you have to download the Turbo C++ 3.2 from here. So once we click on this link, it starts downloading. So I am not going to download it again because I have already downloaded it. So once the download is completed, then you can see this Turbo C++ file in your download folders, and this is the zip file. So we have to extract the zip file in your computer at any location where you want. Okay, so just right click and extract all and just pass the location. So I am going to extract here. Here you can change location and file is extracted at that location. So it takes some time. Once extraction is done, then you have to just open the Turbo C++ file and you have to run this setup file, and we have to just follow the instruction that you can see on your desktop. So I have already installed the Turbo C++, so I am not going to reinstall it again. Okay, so once installation has done, then you can able to see Turbo C++ icon on your desktop. Okay, now we will see how to write our first program using Turbo C++. We will write very simple program. We have to write the program in a C+ to write to print hello world using Turbo C++. So first of all, you have to open Turbo C++. So just double click on this Turbo C++ icon, then click on Start Turbo C++. So it opens complete blue screen. Now you have to write our first program in C language to print hello world. So you have to go to the file and you have to click on open. Now we have to save this file by some name. So I will save this program by using name as name. Now you have to insert some header file which requires for the some inbuilt function. Include standard input output dot header file which contains built-in functions like print. So then you have to write main function. So every C program consists of at least one main function. Then we have to print F. So we have to print hello world. Hello world, which so hello world should be in a double inverted comma because it is a string. And once we complete the statement, then you have to use the semicolon. Then we can compile the code which shows there is no error in our code. That means our code executed successfully. Then you have to run the code. There is a Control F9 is short key for the same. Now you have to see the output. So just press, after running the code, you have to just press Alt F5, which shows hello world. Now we write our first program using C language, which prints hello world on your screen. So now you have to close this Turbo C++ IDE. For this, we have to go to the file menu, then you have to click on fit. If you want to save this file, then press yes. If you not want to save the file, then just click on no. Now I want to save this file, so I will click on yes. You have just see how to install Turbo C++. Now we will see how to install code blocks and write our first C program, that is print hello world. Okay, so open a browser from your system, then search for code blocks, download, then just open the first web page, that is download code blocks. So we have to click on the downloads and then binaries. Then we have to download these code blocks 20.03 mingwsetup.exe file. So you can download from. So just downloaded these files. So I am not going to download this file again because I have already downloaded. Once download is complete, then see the downloaded folder. Then you have to run the code block setup. So again, I am not going to run the setup again because I have already installed the code block. And once the installation is started, then you have to just follow the instruction that see on your PC. Once the installation has done, then you can able to see code blocks icon on your desktop. Now we are going to write our first C program, that is print hello world using code blocks IDE. So to open the code blocks IDE, just double click on this icon. It takes some time to open. So once the code blocks IDE is open, then you have to go to file menu, then click on new, and then again file, and you have to choose this one. Here you have to choose C. Next, then you have to pass the path so that you can store your first program at this location. So I want to save this file on desktop and I give the name hello world. So it saves this file as a name hello world. Now I am going to write our first program. So now we are going to write our first C program, that is print hello world. So first of all, you have to call some libraries that contain some inbuilt functions like printf, scanf. So printf is required for. Then you have to write main function. We will see these main function as well as the standard inbuilt functions. So printf hello world. So once the statement is completed, then you have to add semicolon. So don't forget to add semicolon, because if you miss the semicolon, then this program gives us error. Then you have to just click on build and run. Yeah, this program is executed successfully and which shows message hello world.